wait before you skip this, because I want to share with you how my mornings have transformed since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine. It's been a game changer, honestly. I used to wake up feeling sluggish and bloated, but since I began using the gelatin trick, I've noticed a significant difference in how I feel. My friend had recommended it to me, saying it helped her wake up without that heavy, weighed-down feeling, and I'm so glad I gave it a try. The gelatin trick is all about adding a simple ingredient to your morning drink, and it's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact. Now, my mornings are all about feeling refreshed and revitalized, thanks to the gelatin trick. If you're curious about how to start your day off on the right foot with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for more info, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you might just find yourself looking forward to mornings in a whole new way.